How's the teams going now in terms of the practices, the gelling of the team, the players? Can you share with us?
Like for now, as Coach Noel told us that we are preparing now down in Alabang. So for us, there are some new players who has been added from the last squad. So we try to find the right chemistry and the right line, so we can see that we have more options than before. But the most important now for us as a group is try to gain energy in the group, so we can, when we really struggle the most, we know that we can rely on each other. So that was what the work is most about now.
Yeah. Good morning. Ralph, our Philippine Floorball Association President, can we aim for the title of this Asia Oceania qualifying for the gold medal of this tournament?
Well, I'm sure, as Brad mentioned, we are one of the favorites for this tournament. Of course, I know the team, especially playing on home soil, home ground. We have home court advantage, so I'm sure the team is really striving, not to just make it top 3, but finish best, and get the gold medal for this competition.
Coach Noel, how many are members of the team? Just curious, how many are members of the team, the men's team? How many in a team?
In the team, we are 20 players.
20.
20 players here, and then we have also 10 emergency players with the team here. So, and the team is quite young players, from 16 years old, the youngest, up to Lucas, I think.
37.
Oh, from 16 to 30 is 37?
Yeah, yes. And the experience is also, like Lucas has been here for like 5-6 years, and we have some new players, first time in the national team also. It's going to be really exciting.
Yes. 20 players in a team, how many to play?
Well, it's 5 on the field, plus the goalkeeper. But it's same, like we have like 3 lines, so 15 players. We start almost 15 players in 3 lines. That's the usual.
Of the 20 players, how many are new in the team?
From SEA Games last year, it's 7 players new here. 4 of them are the first time playing for the national team.
All members of the team are, based abroad. Nobody's based here in the Philippines, Coach?
There are players from Singapore, live in Singapore and Sweden, and also here local. But I would say that most of the players that have the most experience live in Sweden and play for the Super League there. But they are really, really excited to play again in front of the home crowd. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Coach. Lucas, what will be the rallying point in our campaign this time around? All out to avenge that sorry loss to Thailand in the SEA Games final last year?
Yeah, that was a mess. But yeah, I mean, for this now, we are more experienced, one more year with more experience, and we know what we did wrong last time, and hopefully we can try to pull this off this time. And we know, as Coach Noel said, that we have a stronger team now, which means that we have more opportunities to make different formations. But we also, we hope, and because we are all very super excited to play here in the Philippines, for Philippines again. So if it's equal in the game, I think that will be an advantage for us. We'll use that like a positive energy and like a chance for us to spread the sport more here locally in the Philippines as well. Because I think that's also one of the most important things to make the sports grow. So like this opportunity is like golden for us.
Yes. So, Phil Sports Arena, from what time around the schedule of the games?
Yes, so yung ating matches, no? There are 4 matches per day, starting on Tuesday and then until Saturday. So matches, yung interval usually is 3 hours. So we start the first match at 10,
10 a.m.
and 1 p.m. next, and then we'll have 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. Match. All our games for the Philippine team during the group stage from Tuesday to Thursday will be played at 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Also, yeah, we welcome everyone from our media
Main
friends
game.
or supporters. Yes, so 4 p.m. Well, that would be the best, no? I think optimal time for us for enough recovery because, as you know, with the setup of the championships or the qualifiers, it's 5 straight days the games, no? And as you watch the game, it's really high intensity. It's very fast, no? So, I mean, the recovery time for the players is very important as well. So, I think good timing, that's one of our advantage, I guess, for us as hosts. We get to schedule our match at 4 so that we have enough time to recover, you know, for the next day. So, it's really a demanding sport, no? Very physical na game. So, yeah, I'm sure the team is well prepared for that. Yeah.
Okay. Speaking of the matches, para lang clear yung scenario, ilang group ito? Sino yung nasa Group A and Group B? Anong format?
Yes, so we have 8 teams playing for this tournament, divided into 2 groups. So in our group, we have New Zealand, Thailand, and Korea. Yes, right. Yes. So we have again Thailand, New Zealand, and Korea, no, in our group. And then the other group would be Singapore, Australia, Japan, and China in the other group. So the format, usually the top two teams from after the group stage will advance to the semifinals. Right? That's on Friday, semifinals, and then hopefully, yeah, we reach or advance to the finals to secure the qualifying spot. No? Yeah, otherwise, the third place or bronze medal match will be played on Saturday as well, and then the finals match on Sunday. Yeah.
Lito Oredo Abante.